Heaven Drones, a fast-growing Israeli drone technology company, has unveiled an integrated robotic solution combining an aerial multi-rotor and unmanned ground vehicle for land and air operation. The robot drone was unveiled this week at ISDEF, Israel's Defense and Homeland Security Expo. Heaven Drones and Roboteam, an Israeli tactical ground robotics systems provider, jointly developed the solution. The companies began working on the project responding to a specific requirement for defense and homeland security applications raised by a customer. They are now exploring additional use cases for land and air robots to maximize efficiency in other applications. According to Benzion Levinson, Heaven Drone's CEO, the new flying robot can complete a variety of tasks in the air and on the ground. Our collaboration with Roboteam brings our vision one step closer with land and aerial robots working together to create a fully operational product that can complete tasks from the ground and the air, Levinson said. This collaboration allows for one unmanned aerial and ground complete system for delivering a significant payload to the battlefield with explosive ordnance disposal capabilities, Matan Shirvi, Roboteam's COO, added. You can fly when you want to fly, drive when you want to drive, with one controller, one software, and one radio. A single interface for maximizing the operational range in the most difficult environments and complex terrains, Shirvi said. The aerial platform selected for the combined solution uses Heaven Drone's H100 Robo Drone, a 71 kg maximum takeoff weight drone that lifts a weight up to 30 kg for 36 minutes over a distance of 10 km. In its flying robot configuration, Roboteam's Micro Tactical Ground Robot, MTGR, mounts the H100 to hop over obstacles to land on rooftops or rapidly deploy to a location where it performs its mission. For this application, the drone is fitted with a 30 kg kit that includes the MTGR, robot attachments, ramp, and toolbox supporting the MTGR, resulting in a first-of-a-kind flying robot that can be used, which maximizes the time-to-lift capabilities of ground robots and flying robots.